Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Studios channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of latest gold hoop earrings for men design ideas. If you are in a position where you have to buy earrings for a man, there are a few things to keep in mind. Even though a lot of men are wearing earrings today, they are not interested in being overt about as like women are. Unless they are into the piercing scene as some young men are. Generally they like to keep the bling to a low level. Therefore, if you purchase men's hoop earrings, then you will want to get them small. Large ones will likely make him feel like a woman and he will not wear them. Don't necessarily assume that he will want earring for his ears. People are getting piercings in other places beside their lobes. If he wears a nose, lip, or eyebrow ring, then look at buying men's hoop earrings for those places instead. He may actually like those better than something for his ears. To keep the bling to a low level, look for simple earrings in basic styles. Different types of latest gold hoop earrings for men designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.